Hello, Eiri dwi. I'm Eiri. You may have heard about a very exciting event that's taking place next week, Eisteddfod T. It's happening instead of the Eisteddfod. Beth yw e? What is it? Beth yw e? Well, the Eisteddfod is Europe's largest youth festival with all kinds of competitions and displays. It's held on a big Maes Field, Maes, with hundreds of stalls. There are competitions for Welsh learners as well as fluent Welsh speakers. Obviously, the Eisteddfod can't happen in its usual form this year. So, competitors have been filming themselves yn y tŷ, in the house, yn y tŷ. And that's why it's called Eisteddfod T. Eisteddfod T could mean House Eisteddfod, or it could mean as well Eisteddfod T, your Eisteddfod. You'll be able to follow it on S4C, Radio Cymru and the S4C website. Here are a few words to help you enjoy Eisteddfod T.
Cystadlu, to compete. Cystadlu. Cystadleuaeth, competition. Cystadleuaeth. Llefaru, to recite. Llefaru. Canu, to sing. Canu. Unawd, solo. Unawd, deuawd. Duet, deuawd. Triawd, trio. Triawd, la. Pedwarawd, quartet. Pedwarawd, la. Pedwarawd. Dawnsio, to dance. Dawnsio. Dawnsio disco. 3, 2, 1, go! Dawnsio gwerin. Offerynnau. Instruments. Offerynnau.
There will also be different competitions such as living room dancing, lip syncing and creating a film trailer. There won't be prizes this year, but competitors will be ranked cyntaf, first, cyntaf. Yn gyntaf mae Angharad Llefaru. Ail Second, Ail. Yn ail mae Llefaru. O Trydydd Third, Trydydd. Yn drydydd mae Cystadleuaeth. To find out more about how to watch Eisteddfod T, visit s4c.irf.cymru.